Hi everyone! There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like the Sphere in Las Vegas. We'll address that in another video. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today, I'm bringing you something truly special. Something I've never used before. Jesmonite AC100. And if you're in the UK, you've had the pleasure of working with this wonderful material for quite some time. But now, finally, those of us here in the United States can get our hands on it too. Thank you, FTC Creative. I'll link them below for you. And before I go further, I want to give a big heartfelt thank you to Boowan Nicole, who sent me this beautiful Christmas house mold. They actually sent me 3 of these molds, all different. And as their ambassador, I cannot tell you how grateful I am for their generosity. Every time I use their molds, I feel like I'm holding a little bit of magic in my hands. So to all of you watching today, to my subscribers, to my members, and to my friends who stopped by to share a moment of art and heart with me, thank you. You are the heartbeat of this channel. And if you're new here, I invite you to join us. Join us as a member, join us as a subscriber. Because here, it's not just about art. It's about connection, it's about inspiration, and it's about being part of our community. Now let me take a moment and explain exactly what Jesmonite AC100 is. Jesmonite is a water-based, eco-friendly composite material, often called the ultimate chameleon material. It can mimic stone, ceramic, plaster, even metal, depending on how you finish it. It's known for its smooth finish, low VOCs, and versatility. AC100 specifically is designed for decorative castings. It's strong, it's lightweight, and safe to work with indoors because it's water-based rather than solvent-based. But still, that doesn't mean you should put that protective gear away. Oh no, you still need to wear a mask and your gloves, and put on some eye gear too. It doesn't hurt. Always be safe. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. For many years, artists in the UK and Europe have been creating stunning works with it. But now we finally have access to it here in the US. And I can tell you, it's worth the wait. This was my very first time using Jesmonite AC100. And I will say, I did make a little mistake. I should have ordered a few different pigments, but I only ordered the black, thinking I could make do with what I already had at home because I've worked with other eco resins before. I should have ordered a few more pigments from FTC. But that's neither here nor there. I didn't. So, while my end result is still beautiful, I had originally wanted a deep, rich Christmas red. But I realized sometimes investing in the right tools and colors really does make a difference. Lesson learned, but I am happy to share with you what I did today. And I'm happy to share with you my mistake too. So, you know that I always share my mistakes. So now I want to touch on something very practical. If you're new to Jesmonite, I really recommend that you use the water method to find out how much Jesmonite you need to mix. Adjust your scale to grams. Place your mold on the scale. Tear it out to 0. Next, fill up your mold with water. Weigh it. This represents the volume of your mold in grams. Be sure to dry that mold thoroughly. You don't want to leave any water residue left. Use the Jesmonite calculator. They provide one on their site. I'm pretty good at math, but I found so many different formulas on YouTube that I ended up more confused than before. In the end, letting the experts guide me with their calculator worked perfectly. I made 3 pieces today, adding up the numbers, and I rounded it out just a bit to give myself a cushion, and every pour came out exactly as it should. That's the kind of peace of mind I think every artist deserves when working with something new. Now, let me take you on a little journey, because for me, houses have always been more than little structures. At one time in my life, I had a large collection of little houses, different shapes, different styles and sizes. Each one held a story, a dream, and a reflection of what a home means. When I was working with this Boowan Nicole Christmas house mold, my mind went wandering back in time, and suddenly I found myself thinking of the Wizard of Oz. That scene where Dorothy's house is swept up in the storm, swirling through the sky, and finally landing on the Wicked Witch of the East. Odd connection, right? A Christmas house leading us to Dorothy and Oz. But stay with me, because it makes perfect sense. You see, the house in Oz wasn't just a house, it was a symbol. It was a vessel that carried Dorothy on her journey, a place she belonged and she longed to return to. The reminder of family, of love, and of belonging. "There's no place like home," she said, and those words resonate because home isn't always about 4 walls and a roof. It's about the heart. It's about community, and it's about the people who welcome you, who love you, and who support you. And that's exactly how I see this channel. Each time I create, each time I share a story, and each time one of you comments, encourages, or simply watches, you're helping me build not just a collection of art, but a community of hearts. Just like Dorothy's journey in Oz, life takes us through storms, through trials, through unexpected adventures. But if we keep our hearts rooted in home, in love, in kindness, in connection, we always find our way back. So whether it's a Christmas house mold or the Wizard of Oz story, or a brand new material like Jesmonite, it all ties back to one truth. Art is heart. It's the home we carry inside us, the gift we give to others, and the magic we share when we come together. I'd like to take a moment of your time and thank my Dollar and a Dream members and those who left me super thanks this past month. I appreciate you immensely. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And thank you to all my subscribers and those who watch my videos. I am thankful and grateful. Your support means the world to me. So today, as I show you this new Jesmonite project, I hope you see more than just material or a mold. I hope you see the story behind it, the lesson within it, and the heart that guides it. To my subscribers, thank you for walking this yellow brick road with me. To my members, my Dollar and a Dream members, you are the foundation stones of this little creative house we're building together. And if you'd like to join, I'd love to welcome you into our family. Because here, whether it's Christmas time or any time, the magic of home, the magic of heart, and the magic of community will always have a place. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Don't go anywhere. I Shoot Crafty Kids Club will be following me next. The Paper Queen. Till next time, art with a heart.